Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, this is part 2 of my Nani's garden tour. Okay, they had okra plant, or what we say, lady's finger plant. They look so tiny and cute. Look at them.
నేను రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నాను జస్ట్
One more is there.
ఆల్సో
They also had papaya tree right up there. Papaya, you can see crow just sitting on the tree. Okay, they also had custard apple tree, commonly known in Hindi as Sitafal tree. They looked so cute. I was so impressed to see them. They also had guava tree, curry patta tree, but did not capture. As Nani said, there can be snakes. They also had root vegetable plant. This is how it looks like.